ChatGPT runs in a browser and that requires opening a browser and navigating to the site each time you want to use it. Websites can either be pinned to the Windows Start menu or saved as direct application at any location. The resulting application is still a web app, but one that's accessible in a standalone window and via your Start menu. It can be easily tucked away in a corner, minimized or otherwise managed via Windows. If you simply pin a web app to the Start menu, the default behavior will be to open ChatGPT in a new browser tab. If you save it to the Windows as an app, it will save as its own self-contained browser window without tabs or favorites. Install ChatGPT as an app using Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge and go to chat.openai.com. Click on Settings and More, 3 dots on the top right corner. Hover over the Apps section and click on the Install this site as an app option. Name the app. For example, enter ChatGPT in the text box and click on Install. Once the app has been installed, it will be displayed in a new Microsoft Edge window. You will then have the option to pin the app to the taskbar, Start menu, or create a desktop shortcut. Select the ones you want. To launch ChatGPT as soon as you log in, check Auto Start on device login. Once done, click on the Allow button to save the changes. The saved app will appear in your Start shortcuts and your app drawer. Note that you may have to scroll down to find it, as apps appear at the bottom of the shortcut menu and alphabetically inside the app drawer. It is pinned to the taskbar. A desktop shortcut is created. Click on it in the taskbar and ChatGPT is opened in a window. For any reason, if you want to uninstall ChatGPT, open Start, right-click on ChatGPT app and click on Uninstall. In the confirmation window, click on Uninstall. Pin the ChatGPT browser window to the Start menu and taskbar. Click on Settings and More and scroll down to More Tools. Select Pin to Start. Click on S in the confirmation dialog. Now pin to taskbar. Click on Settings and More and scroll down to More Tools. Select Pin to Taskbar. When you do so, ChatGPT will be saved to your Start shortcuts in the Start menu, but not in the app drawer. When you click on it, ChatGPT will open in the browser window. To remove ChatGPT from Start menu, open Start menu and right-click on ChatGPT and click on Unpin from Start. Install ChatGPT as an app using Google Chrome. Google Chrome uses different terminology to accomplish the same, with one exception. Chrome will allow you to create a shortcut to the app with the option to open in a separate window or browser tab. Open Chrome browser. Go to chat.openai.com, then click on Customize and control Google Chrome, the 3 dots icon in the top right corner. Hover over the More Tools option. Next, click on the Create Shortcut option. Create Shortcut window opens. Name the shortcut. Open as window is unchecked. The default behavior is to create the shortcut which opens ChatGPT in the browser when you click on it. Click on the Create button. ChatGPT shortcut is created on the desktop. Double-click on the shortcut and ChatGPT will open in the Chrome browser in a tab. Open ChatGPT in a window. In the Create Shortcut window, select the Open as Window option to always open ChatGPT in a new window. Click on Create. ChatGPT is opened in a separate window. A shortcut is created on the desktop. Double-click on the shortcut and ChatGPT will open in a separate window. You can pin this shortcut to Start. Right-click and select Pin to Start. Open Start. ChatGPT is pinned to the Start menu. Click on it to open ChatGPT. Uninstall ChatGPT. In the Start menu, right-click and select Uninstall. Select ChatGPT. Click on Uninstall. Click on Remove. ChatGPT is uninstalled. The shortcut is deleted and removed from Start menu. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.